Welcome back. Let's keep going with our thesis. If you have not seen the previous videos, I will recommend you to go back so that you know what exactly are we doing, especially the part where I explain about how we are organizing the files and the folders or directories. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we want to add our chapters, and in order to do that, we just write, and you see there are different options. We will go over them later on, but basically what we're going to use right now is the normal chapter title. The first one that we want to do, we said, is the summary. Mine works with build and view to see the changes on the PDF. And here we go. So we have our chapter first. What if we don't want that number? Then you just add a little star. Does not even say the number, it just is summary. It still recognizes as a chapter, but it's not saying anything. Let's do all the other ones. Let's see how they look like. Chapter 1, we have our summary. Good. So we have all the 6 pages, including the title. Good. So we have everything. When we were organizing the data, we don't want to do all this all the time, because the more we write, we will have to scroll down all the time and we don't see what we're doing. We are going to create new files that will have this text, a new file, and this one will not have a preamble. This will have just chapter and summary, and we will save it as chapter in the folders for chapters as summary. How are we going to include it here? First, let's write something. Save it. We're going to remove the chapter summary as is here, and we are going to include it from the external file. Include file. The main text is directly underneath in the thesis folder, but the summary is under the chapter folder. So what we're going to tell it is, in this folder, meaning in the thesis folder, yeah, there is a folder called chapters, and in these chapters there is a file that is called summary text. Automatically it should recognize that we want that one, and let's give it a try. We have chapter 1, we have the summary, and we know that it's different from this one because we already wrote bacterial toxins are the best tools for cell biology. We will do exactly the same for all the other files. So we have our first sections and the files associated with it. And the next time I will show you how to write the different files and the different things that we need for the thesis. So if you like this video, you need to subscribe and click on that little bell so that you get the notifications when we do the next videos. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.